আমরা দেখে নিই সেন্টেন্স ওয়ান ইউনিট 5 যেখানে বঙ্গবন্ধুর বাংলাদেশ history 7 March speech. Section 8 write a letter to your friend telling him or her how you feel when you listen to Bangabandhu's history 7 March speech. So এখানে বলে students will have to follow the step 2 of writing a letter অর্থাৎ letter লেখার ক্ষেত্রে আমাদের লেটারের সকল পার্টগুলোকে যথাযথভাবে উপস্থাপন করতে হবে। চলো আমরা এই প্রশ্নটির জন্য আমরা সমাধানটি দেখি। Date 13/10/2021 Dhanmondi, Dhaka. Dear Tanvir, at first take my heartiest love. Hope you are hale and hearty. By the grace of Almighty Allah, I am also fine. I received your letter yesterday. In your letter you wanted to know about how I feel when I listening Bangabandhu's historic 7 March speech. Now I am writing a short description about Bangabandhu's historic 7 March speech. The March 7 address by Bangabandhu, the great poetry of our emancipation, is a time-tested speech. This great speech still ignites people. It flames forth our unquenchable thirst for justice. It flames forth our unquenchable thirst for the justice. It makes us move in the tune with the spirit of the liberation wave. Martha Nussbaum calls it a love and thus distinguishes it from the simple embrace of principles. This love involves the feelings that the nation is one's own. Consider Bhaira Amar or Amar Manush from the March 7 speech or Amar Sonar Bangla from our national anthem. You will see a ground for this claim. It is not an address of 19 minutes but a reservoir of the ideology Bangabandhu had professed throughout his political career and instilled in us a powerful national political emotion. We should assemble every March 7 at the Sohrawardi Udyan previous racecourse Maidan to rejuvenate ourselves in the spirit of the liberation war. No more today, write me as soon as possible. Pay my respects to your parents and love to your youngers. Your loving friend, Saim. সর্বশেষে একটি খাম আঁকতে হবে। খামের অবশ্যই ডান পাশে কোনায় স্টেম এবং বাম পাশে ফ্রম। এখানে প্রেরক অর্থাৎ লেখকের নাম সায়েম, ধানমন্ডি, ঢাকা এবং টুতে অ্যাড্রেস লিখতে হবে যেটা আমরা শুরুতেই লিখেছিলাম, তানভীর, রূপগঞ্জ, নারায়ণগঞ্জ। ধন্যবাদ।